In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get reviews on Jobber. Let's start with why this matters. Consistent, authentic reviews build trust, improve your online visibility, and help you win more work. Jobber makes this easier by centralizing your requests and giving you tools to nudge happy customers at the right time. Begin by heading to Jobber and signing in so you're on your dashboard. This is your home base, and everything we need is just a click or two away. If you're on mobile, the path is the same, though icons may be tucked into a menu. Next, open the marketing section from the main navigation. This is where you'll find automated review requests. Think of it as a simple, repeatable system that asks for feedback without adding work to your day. Here, you can enable automated requests that go out after a job is wrapped up. Keep your message short, friendly, and specific. Thank the client, mention the service you completed, and provide a clear link to leave a review. Timing is key. Sending the request soon after the job is marked complete gives you the best chance of a response. Use this page to monitor how many requests are sent and which ones are engaging customers so you can adjust your wording or timing as needed. From there, navigate to apps. This takes you to Jobber's marketplace, where you can add tools that expand your review strategy. You'll find apps designed to connect your operations with platforms your customers already use. Before choosing anything, glance at the feature list, pricing, and any notes on how the app works with Jobber. Think about what matters to your business. Do you need automated follow-ups, text-based review links, or prompts that point clients to a preferred platform? To quickly zero in on what you need, use the search bar and type review. This filters the marketplace to show relevant integrations. Explore the options, compare features, and open the listings that match your workflow. Many provide screenshots and a quick overview, so you can see how they'll fit into your process. If an app highlights support for a specific review site or region, make sure it aligns with where your customers typically leave feedback. When in doubt, skim the app's setup guide and support notes so you know what permissions it needs and how it handles customer data. That's it. Go to Jobber, open Marketing to activate automated review requests, head to Apps for additional tools, and search for Review to find the integrations that help you capture and showcase great feedback. Thanks for watching, and here's to building a steady stream of 5-star reviews.